Transport system in animals. Large multicellular animals have evolved transport system as organisms get larger and have higher metabolic rates. Principles of circulation. In many large animals, including all the vertebrates, circulatory system is in the form of mass transport system. Mass transport system is an arrangement of structures by which substances are transported in the flow of a fluid with a mechanism for moving it around the body. The need for transport. Within any organism, substances need to be moved from one place to another. Single-celled organisms have a high surface area to volume ratio. Their surface membrane has a large enough area to supply all the oxygen and other materials that their volume demands. In large multicellular organisms, the surface area to volume ratio is low. So, there is not enough surface area to supply all their metabolic demands. To overcome this problem, they need transport system. In multicellular animals, many chemical reactions take place inside every microscopic cell. These cells require a supply of chemical substances, such as glucose and oxygen, for cellular respiration. These must be transported from outside of a large organism into the cells. Respiration supplies energy for the other reactions of life, but it also produces the toxic waste product carbon dioxide. This and other waste products need to be removed from the cells before they cause damage to them. Features of mass transport systems. Mass transport systems are very effective for moving substances around the body. Most mass transport systems have certain similar features as follow. Exchange surfaces to get materials into and out of the transport system. A system of vessels that carry substances. These are usually tubes, sometimes following a very specific route, sometimes widespread and branching. A way of making sure that substances are moved in the right direction, for example, nutrients in and waste out. A way of moving materials fast enough to supply the needs of the organism. This may involve mechanical methods, such as the pumping of the heart or ways of maintaining a concentration gradient, so that substances move quickly from one place to another, for example, using facilitated diffusion and active transport. A suitable transport medium, for example, fluid. In many cases, a way of adapting the rate of transport to the needs of the organism.